Hey, welcome back. I am Rajesh and today I am going to solve some problems related to stopping side distance. Before going to start this session, let me tell you one thing, that if you haven't seen the theory part of it, I mean the stopping side distance, its factors, where it depends, its derivation part, all those things that they have. So I am suggesting you to watch those videos. Really, it's help you a lot. So all those links you would find in the description box. From there you can watch all those videos. I hope you understand. Now let's move on the today's topic. So the first question is, calculate the safe stopping side distance on a naval road stretch for design speed of 50 km per hour. For there is two condition: two-way traffic on a two-lane road and two-way traffic on a single lane road. So the given data is design speed. So the design speed V is equal to given 50 kilometer per hour. So this is given 50 kilometer per hour. So let me change first meter per second. So 50 into what, 1000 divided by 60 into 60, you will get 39.9 meter per second. So this is design speed. Now coefficient of friction, F is given 0.37. Here it is given coefficient of friction 0.37, and reaction time of driver, reaction time T is given 2.5 second, and gravity you can assume 9.8. So up to this part it is given in the question. So it is asking about calculate the safe stopping side distance on a level road. So the stopping side distance on level road. So the stopping side distance formula is Vt plus Va square by 2gf. So V is how much given, 39.9 into 2.5 V square. V how much given, 39.9. So that is V square divided by 2 into 9.8 into 0.37. So you will get 61.4 meter. So if you want to calculate in kilometer per hour, you can calculate same you gauge, because there is a stopping side distance on a level road. Level means what? Same. So in kilometer per hour, SSD is equal to, its formula is 0.278 Vt plus Va square by 254 F. This is the formula. All those value in this equation. 0.278 V how much, 50 given in kilometer per hour, and T is 2.5. V 50 square divided by 254 into F how much, 0.37. You will get 61.4 meter. So the first condition is the stopping side distance when there are two lane. The stopping side distance is equal to 61.4 meter. This is first answer. And B, stopping side distance on single lane road with two-way traffic. So the second answer, 2 into what, SSD, stopping side distance, is equal to 2 into SSD. How much we calculate? 61.4. We get 61.4 meter. So it's equal to 122.8 meter. So this is the solution of this question. You can solve in this way. Now moving into the second question that I have for you. Calculate the stopping side distance on a highway at a descending gradient of 2% for a design speed of 80 km per hour. Assume the other data as per IRC recommendation. So the given data is, you can assume reaction time t 2.5 second and coefficient of friction f is equal to 0.35. Speed it is given 80 km per hour. So converting into meter per second, you will get 22.2 meter per second. Descending gradient it is given 2%. So descending gradient means moving downward. So n is downward negative, so 2%. The percentage converting, you will get 0.02. In the question it is asking about calculate the stopping side distance. So stopping side distance formula SSD is equal to Vt plus V square by 2G F plus minus n%. So putting all this value in this equation, so V how much, 22.2 into 2.5 plus V 22.2 divided by 2 into 9.8 F 0.35 minus 0.02 n. So you will get 131.7 meter. This equation in meter per second. If you want to calculate in kilometer per hour, you can calculate SSD stopping side distance as its formula 0.278 Vt plus V square by 254 F plus minus what, n%. Same. So putting all this value in this equation, 0.278 into V how much, 80 into 2.5 plus V 80 square divided by 254 F how much, 0.35 minus n 0.02. So you will get 132 meter. This equation is also same, nearly equal to 132 meter. So therefore the stopping side distance you will get 132 meter in kilometer per hour, and in meter per second it is also same. So this is the solution of this question. In this way you can solve the problem.